Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your videos like After Effects on Capcut. So here I've already imported 2 clips, but if you want you can always add more. And here I'm going to start by going to the video effects, find the glitch category, and then select the chromatic effect, this one. Click on the check icon and apply it to the first clip. Now go to the video effects again, click on the distortion category and then select the ripple distortion effect, this one. Click on the check icon and also put it under the first effect, like so. And now click on the second clip, copy it and make it as overlay. Okay, so there will be 2 videos like this. And now on the overlay, add a keyframe at the start and another one at the end, but then zoom the clip in on the second keyframe like this. And now go to animation, select the rock vertically animation for 0.3 seconds. Okay, this one. And then on the out, select the fade out animation. Okay, click on the check icon and now go to blend and select filter. You can just lower the opacity, click on the check icon and you are done. So here the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and click on it. Thanks. Bye.